Amri Helping Hand Society organized one-day awareness program on sericulture at Amkachi CFC Home. The awareness program was presided by Bisilika Bhangchuki Advocate, and the program was taken care by the speaker Mongol Singh Rongpi, Inspector Department of Sericulture Hamran Wesker Banglong, with his colleagues James Jisoo, Kennedy Englang, and Rajan Terran. And also the awareness program was graced by two Sarkari Gambara given Terran STP of Helsinki and credit to of Melo. The program was highly appreciated by the local people who would
non-Malbari lamake kasangko make eri muga dasar ikom. Ini tuh milih bahan ini karbian kok kita Malbari dah ini eri kami muga kami dasar kami. Asal kia ada kami dah itu weather condition dan semua ada kami ini. Kita kape ganti make abi. Nonoson muga kayak monopoli lagi. Nama dari nama long kayak North East and Assam dan North East. Bihu kau boleh. Rongali bihu. Main ke rongali bihu. Rongali bihu ke main bihu tu. Jadi lo di lunda tu mati tu. Otiko senengor pohagor bihu. Otiko senengor mugareng mugura. Otiko senengor maku. Otiko senengor pohagor. Lamake besar aja dari teknis bom. Jadi besar aja dengan teknis bom idea pokoknya kan lagi ide itu di bom. Anak-anak pakai musik galan apa